Hello, welcome back to the channel. Lesleyanne here. Today I have an unboxing. This is my latest Look Fantastic box. This actually got delivered yesterday, so I'm going to open it now. If you don't know an awful lot about the Look Fantastic box, it's a beauty / skincare subscription box. It is monthly and you can subscribe either 3 months, 6 months, 12 months. That way you get yourself a little bit of a discount, or you can just have a one-off box. I think it's recently gone up to, I think £15. I'm sure that's what it's just gone up to, but don't quote me completely on that. It really depends. Of course, you know, as I say, on the subscription that you take out. Right, so this one is in the traditional black box, unless it's like a limited edition or something. It generally does come in sort of a box like this. In the past I have actually subscribed to other sort of beauty boxes, and some of them are based more sort of beauty, more sort of skincare. Some of them do combine. This one is, I feel, more skincare, which I prefer. Inside the box, I will tell you, it does give you like a nice little quote, and this one says "You are iconic." So there we go. And these boxes, I tell you, probably with all of the subscription boxes, to be honest, are really, really good. I put a lot of them in drawers and use them as sort of like to section off things in drawers. So to start with, we've got the Beauty Edit, so the little magazine that comes with it. It tells you all about what's in your box, so I can straight away see what's in my box here. And it shows you and tells you all about the products, gives you little hints and tips as well, like, you know, what collagen does, etc. Then it gives you a little peek into what's coming up next month. So next month it's going to be a rituals product, and it's either going to be one or the other. So it's either going to be a candle or a perfume. So that's what's coming up next month. So if you're interested in sort of subscribing to the box, that's what you'll be getting. So let's have a look, shall we? So it always comes well packaged, sealed in a little tissue. God, if I look a bit hot and sweaty, it's because I've just come back from walking the dogs. I'm so warm. Okay, so in here I have got the products. That's much better. Found some glasses to put on. My other ones are actually downstairs. Right, so as I was saying, I've got, this is an Elemis product, and it's the Pro Collagen Hydrogel Eye Masks. So it feels as though they're, you know, like the little silicone-y sort of gel ones that you put individually under the eye. So there we go. So I am looking forward to using those. What is this? Okay. This says Dissipate Dreamy Skin Retinol Night Oil. Okay. Ultimate Skin Regeneration, reduces pigmentation lines and pore size, deeply nourishing and distressing and balanced boost. Gently massage 3 to 4 drops into cleansed face and neck, AM and PM. And it is vegan and cruelty free. That's what it looks like. So let's just try a little bit on the back of my hand. Ooh, okay, it's an oil. Definitely an oil. Quite a sort of thinner oil, not really thick. Oh gosh, it smells wonderful. It smells, what does it smell like? A little bit citrusy maybe. Oh, that is very nice. That feels lovely. Can't wait to use that one as well. I do love a facial oil. Okay, next one is from Bleach London, and it's the Reincarnation Conditioner, New Life with Every Wash. Nourishing conditioner with bond restoring technology for all hair types, vegan and cruelty free. And it also comes with the shampoo, so that's a nice little set. I really do like it when you get a set, because if you just get a shampoo on its own or a conditioner on its own, it's a real job trying to know just how good they are. But hand in hand, they tend to go together. So I'm looking forward to using this. So I'm going to be washing my hair tonight, so I'm going to use this. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, generally there's 5 products. I'm counting 6 in this one, so sort of 5 or 6. This one I really have been looking forward to. I knew this one was coming, and it's by Ren, and it's clean skincare. So Ready Steady Glow, a daily AHA tonic. It's got alpha hydroxy acids, and I think this is going to be amazing. I really do like the brand as well. All recyclable. Let's have a little smell, but I am looking forward to using this one. It has got a smell, can't smell it too much, but again it's got like an almost, well, it has got a citrusy smell, so I'm guessing that's the acids in there. And then finally, I'm glad I got this. This is by CND, and it's the Solar Oil Nail and Cuticle Care. I mean, it's just so important, isn't it, to, if you're trying to look after your nails, to, oh, my hands are a bit oily. If you're trying to look after your nails and your hands, you really do need to apply a cuticle oil, and it's something I'm very guilty of not doing often enough. I tend to take body lotions, hand creams over my nails, but I'm not brilliant at using a cuticle oil. And I know that this will last for an absolute age. I'm just gonna sort of like dip the brush in once and sort of take it across my cuticles like that. That will be plenty. Oh, it smells wonderful. It smells like marzipan. Oh, I think my daughter uses this because the smell is the same. And my daughter's got a salon. I'm sure this is the smell that comes from her beauty salon. Oh my gosh, it's wonderful. So just that brush in once and just sort of like, I just go like that anyway, probably because I'm lazy. But it was, look, I love it. It smells amazing. If you like marzipan, almonds, that sort of a smell, you are going to love this. Oh, smells lovely. Anyway, my darlings, this brings me to the end of this video, so I thought I would just come on and quickly show you what is in this month's Look Fantastic box. I will see you with another opening of the Look Fantastic box next month. So take care, everyone. See you in the next video. Bye for now. Bye.